Early in the morning, Miley and me set off for Chacahua. First we took a taxi to get from Selina to the bus station. When we arrived to the bus station, we asked for the right bus. There are no fixed departure times. The buses only run when a certain number of guests has been reached. It didn't take long and then we were on our way. After about 1.5 hours, we got out at the taxi station. We fastened at the surfboard and drove towards the coast. Chacahua is completely surrounded by mangrove forests and can only be reached by boat.
So, also hier geht's mit dem Boot weiter. Jetzt sind wir hier in... Oh, keine Ahnung wie der Ort heißt. Jetzt warten wir, dass das Boot voll wird. Deswegen fehlen noch 2 Personen.
Then finally started the last stage.
Kleine technische Schwierigkeiten.
We drove as we were being hunted until the engine broke.
Ich glaube, es ist nicht mehr so weit.
Our driver couldn't fix the engine and had no cell phone reception. We had no choice but to wait for the next boat. I got told that crocodiles live between the mangroves, but we didn't see any.
Mangroves, like all these little, there's like one little hidden village.
Wir sind noch hier.
I don't think that there needs to be a constant sense of urgency whatsoever, but I think that having never any sense of urgency
Und
is also
der Motor funktioniert nicht mehr richtig sauber. Und jetzt warten wir hier, bis jemand kommt mit Ersatzteilen.
Boats came and stopped. Many tried to start the engine again themselves, but nothing worked.
I don't think that one's gonna get fixed real quick now. Maybe make it work. Are we really gonna cut?
After a long time, an empty boat came in which we could change. Then it could finally go on. Finally, we arrived safely, so we went straight to the hotel Teepees recommended to us. It is right on the beach and has the best cheesecake in
Der
Mexico.
Surfspot ist anscheinend in der Richtung und bricht teilweise bis hier vorne an den Strand die Welle. Das ist hier unser Zimmer. Hier die Aussicht. Hola. interessant, ist brutal warm.
In the evening we did a tour to see the glowing plankton. Unfortunately, the camera couldn't record the lights, but I can highly recommend the tour.
And you eat, you cook and eat, or?
No, they just open it and put lemon and hot sauce in it, and they eat it. How many do you? ¿Cuántos tienes?
3.
Wow.
Llevamos 50.
They found 50
Aber on the beach, just on the beach.
en la laguna.
in the
Oh.
the lagoon.
Con el puro
Ah,
pie.
wow.
They just found it by the feet.
En el
Ah, cool.
en el pantano.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Y son como los tipos, ¿sabe como los ostiones?
Sí, adentro tiene su carne y eso.
¿Y te los vas a comer ahorita?
Sí, para mi cumpleaños.
Ah, ¿es tu cumpleaños?
Sí, mi cumpleaños.
It's his birthday. Oh,
Ah.
happy birthday.
Da gibt's kein Internet.
There are not many places with internet. In the shop you can buy access for a certain time.
Das schwache Internet ein bisschen da anzapfen darf.
Este es el usuario.
An ice truck is driving around in the village. We almost missed it.
Ich habe Kokos Erdbeer mit Oreo. And what's your?
Just lemon.
Oh.
Want to try?
Yeah,
Lemon.
very fresh. Yes.
¿Cómo se llama el Get closer. He's crying because he wants ice cream for the.
Oh,
He,
can I give?
No, he gets
No.
sick. Zanahoria. No, ¿qué tal? How do you hand? Can you put it there? Try to. Okay.
In the next video I will show you more of the village and the surf spot. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the channel.